Hi, I'm Matthew Haviland with Keller Realty and the Prompt team. And if you're thinking about downsizing or making a move into a 55 plus community, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 55 plus condo communities in Atlantic County, New Jersey, what they have to offer, what to watch out for, and how recent changes could impact your decision.
55 and over, it's a brand new game. Living the good life never feels the same. Neighbors like family, sunsets on display. Come on and join us, don't let it slip away.
So let's start with the big question. Why would someone choose a 55 plus condo over a 55 plus single home? So condos typically offer a low maintenance lifestyle. Landscaping, snow removal, and exterior upkeep are usually covered by the homeowners association. Condos are often more affordable than single family homes in the same neighborhood, and you're usually just a short walk from the clubhouse, the pool, and all the amenities. So if you love to travel or you want a simpler lifestyle, condos are great for lock and leave living. And the social side of a condo, seeing neighbors regularly, joining clubs and events, is a big win for many. Now, there are some downsides. HOA fees in condos are usually higher than single family homes, and you'll have less privacy, especially if units share walls or common areas. There's often a limited outdoor space, and some communities have rules on pets or guests or even decorations. Also, most condos charge a capital contribution fee at closing. Usually that's 2 to 3 months of HOA dues up front. So if you're looking for convenience and community, condos are a great fit. And if you want privacy in a yard, a single family home might be a better match. So let's take a closer look at some of the top 55 plus condo communities in Atlantic County. Four Seasons at Smithville in Galloway Township. And this is one of the most popular and amenity rich communities in the area. I'm actually filming this part of the video right here. It was built by Haviland and includes both single family homes and condos. You'll find indoor and outdoor pools, tennis, massive clubhouse, fitness center, billiards, pickleball, library, and miles of walking trails. There's also a packed social calendar full of clubs and events you can get involved with, but it does come with a higher HOA fee. It's around $240 to $260 a month for the single family homes and about $480 for the condos. Taxes range from about $4,800 all the way up to $8,500 per year, and there's a capital contribution fee due at closing. You'll find the clubhouse at Regency Drive and Smithville Boulevard in Galloway. All right, so there are two sections of condos here in Smithville. The first one right behind me here, I'm going to show you. These are all attached. They all have one-car garages, everything on one level, and across the street from the clubhouse, so pretty close walk over to the clubhouse. So the next section of condos here in Smithville is the manor homes. These are the homes right behind me here, and these were built like quad homes. So they're attached in the middle and really nice, beautiful layouts and great locations. Some of them here overlooking the fountain. Woodland Village in Absecon. This is a quiet condo-only community with much more affordable setup. The HOA fees are usually around $268 per month. Property taxes are around $3,200 per year. The community includes a pool, a gym, a sauna, a lounge, and a library. The units are mostly 1 or 2 bedroom layouts, and it's a great fit for someone looking to downsize affordably. But be aware of this, the units are smaller and there are garages in some units and inventory can be limited. It's located right on Woodland Avenue and Pitney Road in Absecon. All right, so next stop is Woodland Village here in Absecon, just off of Pitney Road. And these are condos you see behind me. Many of them are either first floor or second floor condos. Many of them do have garages. As you can see, some of these behind me do have the garages. So this is a great option for a condo, affordable living right here in Absecon. Four Seasons Northfield is a smaller, more budget-friendly option located along the bay. Homes usually sell in the low to mid $200,000 range. HOA fees are about $316 a month, and property taxes are reasonable, about $3,200 a year. It's located right in the heart of Northfield, close to shopping and restaurants. Amenities are limited, and the community is older, but it's a solid, simple option for someone looking for value. The clubhouse is right on Dolphin Avenue in Northfield, and there is a community pool. Village of Linwood is an established community located just off Central Avenue in Linwood. It offers 2-bedroom condos with private patios or balconies, and they offer some with a loft and additional bathroom. You'll also find a pool, tennis courts, and a clubhouse. HOA fees are around $525 a month, and taxes typically are about $4,500 per year. Some homes are older and may need some updates, but the location and layout make it a top choice for many. You'll find it on Village Boulevard, right off of Central Avenue. Bel Aire Lakes in Absecon, also known as the Gatherings at Bel Aire Lakes. These homes were built between 2006 and 2008, and they offer newer 2 to 3 bedroom layouts with garages and lots of space. The HOA is around $280 a month, and taxes range from about $5,000 to $5,600 per year. There's a community clubhouse with a fitness room, social space, and outdoor patio. There is no pool. You'll find it near Mill Road and Westcote Road in Absecon. Let's talk about a few changes in 55 plus condo communities that buyers need to be aware of. HOA fees are going up almost everywhere due to increased maintenance and insurance costs. Capital contribution fees, those one-time costs due at closing, are now common and can add hundreds or even thousands of dollars to your purchase. And lastly, many older communities are starting to invest in upgrades, roofs, roads, pools, and more. And that can mean special assessments or higher fees in the future. So what's the bottom line? Each community offers something unique. Smithville is for lifestyle and amenities. Woodland Village is a great budget-friendly option. Northfield keeps things simple and affordable. Linwood offers charm and space. And Bel Aire Lakes is great if you want space and a garage. And here's the best part. If you're ready to take the next step, I'll personally review your needs to help you determine if a condo is right for you. You can connect with me at promptagents.com/YouTube. Let me show you some homes in these communities that are available right now. All right, so now I'm actually going to show you what's available in these communities we went over today in this video. I'm going to start off with a condo available right now in Woodland Village in Absecon. This is number 19 East Woodland Avenue, Unit E101. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, $202,000, 1,046 square feet. This is a first floor unit. $268 a month for the HOA fee, and we've got taxes about $3,000 per year in taxes. So let's take a quick look at some of the photos here, give you an idea what this unit looks like, and then I'll show you a few others as well. So as you see, this has got probably some original carpeting there. This is the kitchen area. Again, looks pretty original on the interior there as well. Bedrooms being 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. So you get a feel for what this unit looks like here in Absecon. And this is in the Woodland Village community in Absecon. Do have a little bit of privacy in the background. Let's move on to Linwood. And when we look at this list of available condos, we see that there's actually about 8 units available here in Central Square in Linwood. So I'll show you the lowest price one is this one right now, $295,000. It's a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom unit. This is a first floor unit. There are no elevators in this community, so if you have a unit that's on the second floor, you would have to use this outdoor staircase to get up to that unit. And let's take a look inside here. So as you come in the front foyer here, we have a slider that goes out to the private patio or balcony if you're on the second floor. Living room, we have a combination dining area, and then the kitchen is right here as well. This one's a little bit closed off. Most of the units, this is a little bit more open, the kitchen into the dining area. These are 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms. This looks like probably on the older side, original side kitchen, master bathroom, bedroom, owner suite here with the step-in shower. This has another patio off of the owner suite. We'll look at the patio, and this has a, most likely that's a gas fireplace. Some of these are wood burning or gas fireplaces here. And this is the second bedroom. Actually, this has got a double-sided fireplace going into the second bedroom. So that's a look at the unit that is the lowest price in the community. Let's take a look at the highest price right now. Actually, I wanted to show you this one, which is unit M3. Now this one is 1,200 square feet. It's a second floor unit, plus it has the loft upstairs, so that does give you some additional space. Upstairs, HOA fees, $524, $525 a month, and this particular unit $5,520 in taxes. Most of the units, I believe, let me go back to the 295. Most of these units are going to be about $4,500 in taxes, but because this has the loft, it's a little bit higher price here. Take a look at the photos here of this one, give you an idea what this would look like. Let's just look at the front entryway here for the community. This is a second floor unit. It does have some updated flooring, luxury vinyl plank flooring. This is that loft area upstairs. You can see fireplace area. You've got the slider going out to the patio. This one, they did some virtual staging here, so that's why you see some of these photos with furniture. Kitchen has been updated in this one pretty nicely. The layout is going to be the same as the first floor unit because it's the second floor. It does have that cathedral ceiling, gives a little bit more feeling of space. And yeah, very nicely done kitchen there in this unit. Bathroom here a little bit more on the original side. So similar layout to the other home that we saw. Okay, so that takes care of Woodland Village and Village of Linwood. Right now there's no condos available in the Four Seasons Smithville community. They didn't build as many as they did the single family, so they don't come up quite as often. Now let's take a look at Bel Aire Lakes, and there are a few available right now. Bel Aire Lakes, I'm going to show you this one, 18 Del Rey Lane. This one being an end unit here, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. Now technically these are townhomes and they're not condos, but I kind of grouped them in with the rest of the condos because they're very similar. All the units are attached in this community. This particular one has the living room here as you come in. Front entryway or side entryway, excuse me. You got the living room, cathedral ceiling here for the dining room. You see the loft upstairs. So upstairs you have a loft, a second bedroom, a full bathroom. This is the eat-in kitchen area. This particular model also has kind of like a den or family room off of this kitchen area as well, off the hallway. Here's a look at the loft. So lots of space in these units, and they do have a 2-car garage, which is a nice option as well. Here's a look at the owner's suite. So this is Bel Aire Lakes, and you can see the prices here. There are quite a few for sale right now. Lowest price about $289,900, all the way up to $315,000. So that's what's available in Bel Aire Lakes. So Bel Aire Lakes, there you have it. That's a quick overview of what's available for condos right now in all the condo communities that are available. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone you know who's ready for their next chapter. And if you're a senior and you would like 50% off your New Jersey property taxes, you need to watch this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.